Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I am sharing some knowledge about Hajj. What is Hajj and why do we have to go for the Hajj? So keep watching what I am sharing today. Let's start. As everyone knows, we are few weeks away from Hajj. If someone not perform Hajj, just keep dua to Allah all these days to able you perform Hajj next year, inshallah. Hajj is the fifth pillar of Islam. In Quran, Allah mentioned it several times. It is mandatory for those who can afford the journey, who have good health, and who permission to perform it from authority to visit the holy Kaaba. This is called Istitaat, the overall ability to perform Hajj. Hajj not only relates the affordability of your financial status, it also relates with your overall health that you are capable to perform Hajj. Also, you have permission from the authority to visit the holy Kaaba. If you have all of them, it means you can able to do this responsibility. Don't delay it. If Allah gave you this ability, otherwise you will be sinful. Lots of people raise the question why we celebrate Hajj. First of all, I must say we don't compromise with the relation of Allah. Our first priority to fulfill all those responsibilities which is mentioned by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Secondly, Hajj reminds us the great sacrifices of Ibrahim alayhi salam. He worships Allah alone. Sacrifice of Ismail alayhi salam. Quran is filled with Ibrahim alayhi salam duas. I wish Allah make it easy for all Hujjaj who are performing Hajj. I wish Allah make it easy for those who are planning to go for Hajj. Allah make it easy for those who have financial problem. I wish Allah accept the prayers of everyone in these holy days. If you like my videos, please share and Jazakallah for watch my videos full.